back to Outdoors and Country Living. Again, it is the next day, but look at how rich this broth is. It cooked overnight on a low temperature around 175 degrees, and I've since shut it off this morning, but I'm going to show you how I am going to strain all of the meat and fat and vegetables out of it and the bones. So I've got the big pot yesterday that I used for the broth, and I've got my mesh strainer here. And I'm just going to start transferring it over into the strainer until I get this roaster pan emptied. But this is a beautiful, well-seasoned bone broth that will be so delicious in making soups, stews, various things that call for broth. Or just to warm it up and drink it when it's really cold and blustery this winter. So many health properties. Once I get all of this strained, then I will show you how I put it into some mason jars, and then we'll pressure can it so it's shelf stable. Okay, it's all strained. We're going to start filling the mason jars, but look how beautiful that broth is. I like to leave about an inch head space. So we got 11 quarts of this turkey bone broth. Now I'm going to clean the rims with a damp washcloth, and then I'll put lids and rings on. the ocean.
Looks good. I like it.
Look at how the broth is jiggling as it's letting the extra air out. Alright, so we are finally done. We've got pressure cooked and canned turkey, which is beautiful. And this is a really nice food that's convenient that I make for our family to have on hand to throw into recipes fairly quickly. We have some beautiful turkey bone broth to use instead of buying it from the grocery store. And we know what's in it. So thanks so much for stopping by Outdoors and Country Living to watch me can turkey and make the broth. So you guys take care and we'll see you later.